Hello everybody, today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Rev points on Revolut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have connected enough Rev points for the transaction, and if you have been wondering where and how you can use it, then you can see you can simply redeem your points by exchanging them for miles in airlines loyalty programs, by making bookings with their reservation platform, and by exchanging them for discount on Revolut Pay checkout as well. So you can see Rev points for air miles is simply have to go to Rev points, and then we have to tap on this option of miles, choose one of the available providers that is linked with Revolut, and then choose an amount of points and tap transfer. You will gain miles for them. Next thing is booking stays and experiences using Revolut as well. You can go to again Rev points and choose the stays and experiences, find the one that is linked with them, tap on transfer again, and you're good to go. Next is Rev point for discounts when using Revolut Pay. So currently redeeming Rev points for discount when paying with Revolut Pay is only available with selected merchants, right? So if in case it's not available for you, that means they have not simply available, it's not one of the allowed merchants itself. You can also do it for auto redemption. For example, if you have 200 Rev points, you bought 100 Rev points via spare change, you will earn 100 Rev points by completing actions in your Revolut app. You can also do the auto redemption for that as well. So those are the uses. Prefer the one you would like, and that is basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.